Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that on the day of the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "Now there is no hijrah from Makkah Mukarramah. However, holy war and good intention still exist. So whenever you are summoned for jihad, proceed to it." On the day of the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah, he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam also said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made Makkah Mukarramah a sanctuary on the very day He Jalla Jalaluhu created the heavens and the earth. So it will remain a sanctuary till the resurrection day, because Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has made it a sanctuary. It was not lawful for anyone before me to fight in Makkah Mukarramah, and it was made lawful for me to fight therein only during an hour of the day. And now this city will remain a sanctuary till the resurrection day, as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has made it a sanctuary. So neither its thorn must be lopped off, nor its game must be chased after, and no one can pick up its find saves the one who announces it publicly and conveys it to its owner. Its grass must not be mowed. Hearing it, Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, accept idkhir, for it is required by the blacksmiths and the goldsmiths, and houses are built with it." He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam whereupon said, "Okay, accept idkhir." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3289.